In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove items from your cart on Wayfair, providing you with a straightforward shopping guide. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a first-time visitor to Wayfair, these instructions will help you navigate the shopping process smoothly. First, you need to start by heading over to Wayfair's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in wayfair.com. Once the site's homepage loads, your shopping journey begins. This vibrant and user-friendly platform is equipped with numerous categories of home furnishing products, so there's plenty to explore. The next step is to log into your account. Look at the top right corner of the page where you'll notice a button labeled Account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. If you're not logged in yet, it's important to do this step for a seamless shopping and checkout experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find it easier to track your orders, save items for later, and customize your shopping settings. Now, it's time to browse and select a product. Navigate through the different categories or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. Wayfair offers a wide variety of products, so take your time to explore before you decide what best suits your needs. Once you've found your desired item, click on it to view more details like dimensions, colors, and customer reviews. After selecting a product, it's time to add it to your cart. Look for an Add to Cart button, which is usually prominently displayed on the product page. Clicking this button will add the item to your virtual shopping cart. You'll then see a pop-up or a small animation indicating the item has successfully been added to your cart. Remember, at this stage, you haven't purchased the item yet. It's just saved for you to buy later. To confirm what you've accumulated, simply view your cart. Again, your cart icon is usually located at the top right of the page, often signified by a little shopping basket. Clicking on it will take you to a detailed list of items you've decided to purchase. Here you can verify all the products you picked and check their prices and total cost. If you need to remove any item, the process is just as simple. Once you're on your cart page, identify the item you wish to delete. Next to each item is typically an option to remove it. Click on this remove button and the item will be taken out of your cart, making adjustments easier during your shopping session. And that's it. Managing your cart on Wayfair is straightforward once you get the hang of it. You now have all the tools you need to efficiently manage your online shopping experience. With these steps, adding and removing items from your cart is a breeze. Happy shopping!